I got 2 cans of tomato sauce. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be the best dinner of your life. Okay, now I'm gonna add about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and this is about a handful. I'm calling this about 1 cup with my hand here. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Okay, and then we're gonna add about 8 tablespoons of cottage cheese right on top. Just make like little dollops here. Okay, just like that. Now you could use cream cheese if you wanted to, or you know, some ricotta cheese would work just as well. All right, so and then we're gonna add some salt right on top. Okay, and then we're gonna add some pepper right on top of that. Y'all, this is the easiest peasiest dinner, y'all. So easy, get it on the table. All right, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of oregano right on top of that. Okay, and then I've got some garlic right here. You can use fresh garlic. Y'all, does anybody else buy their garlic in this size, or is it just me? Y'all, I love garlic. It's so good. Okay, so we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of garlic. 1 right in the center. Oh, it smells so good and right in there, y'all. Okay, you can add more or less if you wanted to. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some fresh basil. Now, if you don't have any fresh basil, you could go ahead and add that dried basil as well. We're gonna bake this in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. I just pulled it out of the oven. Now let's go ahead and stir everything together just like this. Now remember, we have that cottage cheese in there. We got some mozzarella cheese in there. We got some spices and some tomato sauce. Oh, look at this, y'all. This is so easy, budget friendly. Okay, next I've got some pasta right here. This is about 4 cups of pasta, and I kind of lightly oiled it just so they wouldn't stick together. All right, we're gonna add that in just like that. Let's go ahead and give that a good nice stir. We want to incorporate all of the sauce in it. This is so budget friendly. It is so good, you guys. This is such a great dish for lunch. All right. Oh my gosh, look how delicious this is, y'all. Oh my gosh, it is smelling so good. Okay, so we got all that nicely incorporated. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add another cup of cheese here. So 1 handful is about a cup here. We're gonna sprinkle this on top like this. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm gonna go in for just 1 more cup, maybe half a cup. I don't feel like that was enough. I don't know. I love cheese. It's my favorite. Yep, so about 2 cups maybe on top. So good, you guys. All right, now we're gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese right on top of here. Okay, you could use fresh cheese, Parmesan if you wanted to. Okay, and then I've got some more basil right here. You don't have to use fresh again. Like I said, you could even use oregano if you wanted to, just whatever you have on hand. Now we're gonna put this back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Oh, y'all, I just pulled this out of the oven. It is so hot, but look how good this looks. I am so ready to taste this. Oh my gosh, this is so good. All right, look at that. Oh, it is so hot. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Holy cow. Okay, let's see if we can taste it without burning our mouths. Okay, here we go. Woo! So good. Mmm. 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 That is so good, y'all. That fresh basil on it is delicious. It is creamy. It is so good.
Subscribe for more recipes.